What's going on, everybody? It's just Sunday afternoon. I decided since the sun's out, it's not very warm outside, but the sun's out, so I decided to go do a little gardening. If you call it gardening, like most of my plants are inside, and I'm just doing a little raking, just evening out the dirt. And I forgot that I had never harvested my sweet potatoes, and I just pulled a few out of the dirt. And man, check this out. Let me go into the light here. Hopefully, you can see it better here. Yeah, man, these are pretty good sized sweet potatoes. Like, man, I did not expect this. Like, these things are almost as big as my hand. Well, two of them are, and one of them small. But I'm gonna eat these tonight, and maybe have one for breakfast tomorrow. And yeah, I'm just put a little cinnamon on them, a little sugar, a little butter, and yeah, man, I didn't think these were still salvageable after the frost hit them, but apparently they are. And I'm gonna keep digging and see if I have any more out here. But like I only expected like one or two sweet potatoes, but dug it up from this, and they're still good. I got three of them so far, so I wanted to make a video of that. It's pretty exciting, something to be excited about. I don't really like fall that much. I hate it honestly because I can't garden every day, and it's just miserable. Like when everything just falls off the trees and everything just turns gray. But yeah, this is some positives here. You got a little sweet potato action. So yeah, just wanted to upload that. And have a good rest of your Sunday.